Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at a Formula 1 shirt, and this one is the Mercedes F1 shirt for 2025, and it was purchased from dhgate.com. What I really like about this one is the fact that it's a Adidas and it actually looks like a proper shirt, like a football shirt style in the bag. Some of the F1 shirts that we've looked at in the past have been I don't know, they've just not had a very nice feel, but this one looks a lot better. And to be fair, I might even keep this one myself. Seeing what size I ordered it in, it was 2X, was it XL? Yeah, XL UK, but we'll see. I really do like the look of this one. So the shirt comes in a standard Adidas bag, like the football shirts, and on the back it has got the health warnings. So yeah, really looking forward to this one. I'm not always a big fan of these Formula 1 shirts, but this one does seem to kind of draw my attention. So we'll get out of the bag and we'll take a look. The seller, as I said, is gogm.com. Takes about 15 days for the item to arrive. If you do enjoy the content, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. If you've got any questions or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I will leave a dhgate link as well. It won't be for this item, it'll be just from my usual seller for some football items, but it then takes you to dhgate and it will enable you to have a look around. So yeah, let's get this bag undone and take a look at the Mercedes 2025 Formula 1 shirt. Okay, we'll start with the front of the shirt. It's just got like your traditional V-neck collar, which has got the join that we see on all the Adidas football shirts. The Adidas stripes have been embroidered on, and I think they're separate. They're separate bit of material. I'll have a look on the inside. I'm not sure if it's a separate bit of material or if it's embroidered into it. I'm going to say it's probably separate because here, look, you can see it's got this like honeycomb effect, whereas the Adidas stripes do not. The sleeve, we've got quite a few sponsors, and these are all rubberized vinyl, and they look very nice. Again, a lot more sponsors on the front of the shirt. And the Adidas, these have all been heat pressed onto the material. And then on this sleeve as well, we've got more. At the bottom, we have the 2025 official team kit, Mercedes-AMG, non-transferable. I think that's been heat pressed on as well. And then, like the football shirts, we have aero ready. So if I put my hand under it, being black, it shows how see-through it is. But the material is really lightweight. I think these honeycomb are what give it the air pockets to go through. So it does feel really, really nice. I'm absolutely loving this shirt, I'm not going to lie. It's a football shirt, but a Formula 1 shirt, so it's a nice mixture. But as we zoom out, there's the front of this shirt. I absolutely love this. Let's take a look at the reverse side now too. Okay, we're on to the reverse side now. And the collar line just continues around. It's got that little banding in there as well for the support on the neck. Adidas, AMG, all heat pressed on. Feels really, really smooth. Take a look under the arm. Yeah, stitching is spot on. And on that side as well, stitching is perfect. Again, we've got the ventilation in the material. The joins on there are really nice. And on that side, it's really nice too. Yeah, I really like this. Colours are outstanding, the print is outstanding. So I think what I really like about this one is it is a football shirt style. Other Formula 1 shirts we've looked at before have not had this feel and this look. So yeah, one of my favourites, this one. Okay, we're on to the inside, and the Adidas stripes are a separate bit of material. We can now see, look, the join is there, and the join, to be fair, looks really quite good. At the top here, we do have the little product code, QR code, that you get on all the sort of shirts. A little bit of loose thread there, little excess cotton, but we can soon chop that off. And again, the Adidas stripes embroidered on as a separate bit of material. Sleeve sponsors all look good, and the ones on the front of the shirt equally look as good on the inside. Only a couple of creases from where the shirt's been in the bag, but nothing to really worry about on that. The join there looks good. At the bottom we have our wash instructions. Recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry them, just let them hang dry, never put them in your tumble dryer. All in all though, this feels really quite nice. There's the authentic product that we were looking at earlier, the tag. Yeah, you can see that's been heat pressed on, a massive crease from being in the bag, but again, that will soon come out. Stitching down the seams, all looks good. Yeah, really happy with this one. Okay, that's the first part of the inside of the shirt done. Let's take a look at the other side now. Okay, we've got the final part of the inside of the shirt, and the banding that goes around the collar line has got the Adidas Motorsport on there, and then the size in here, Adidas, got the size in XL, made in Cambodia, and you get a tag in there as well, which has got like the football shirt, the Adidas JSY, so you know these are not official products. Size wise, I would recommend sizing up on these, so if you're normally a large, buy XL and so on. Print has gone on smoothly as, no creases, nothing, and if I'm pushing through, although we see that it is quite lightweight and quite see-through, you cannot see, even though it's white, you cannot see the print coming through from the other side at all. Even if I hold my hands out, like I said, you can see my hand there, but up here where we've got the print, you can't see it. This is obviously where it's been printed on this side, but yeah, nothing is visible. So that is really quite smart. But that's the inside of this Mercedes F1 shirt completed. What do you think of it? And there we have it, our Formula One Mercedes shirt from dhgate.com. Easily my favourite Formula One shirt. My favourite Formula One shirt that I've looked at on this channel. The other ones have not had this sort of feel to them. This just feels like a football shirt. So yeah, definitely going to be one that I'm going to keep. Normally I give these to a friend of mine, but I think I'm going to keep this one because it feels like a football shirt. It'd be nice to wear in the summer. So yeah, going to be mine, this one. I will leave a link to GOGM in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller that I buy from. So it won't be for this item. It will be for a football shirt or something from them. It's quite funny actually, because with work, who I work for, a couple of these items on this shirt are products that we use. So that's quite cool to see. But yeah, if you've enjoyed this one, please hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions or anything, leave them below. So before we wrap up, let me know what you think to this one. Do you like it as much as I do, being this football shirt design compared to the normal F1 shirts that we look at? If so, GOGM is the supplier. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.